At this location, we package HP's inkjet supplies for North and South America. It's a very high volume operation and it's critical to HP's success. We've got 19 packaging lines at this particular operation and we've got Multi-Jet Fusion parts on every single line. When we started with Multi-Jet Fusion, we were identifying plastic spare parts that we could just replicate and print ourselves rather than buying them. In the last 2 years, that has evolved so much where we're actually developing and designing our own parts now. We have over 100 unique different part designs in our operation. Quantity-wise, I think we're up over 10,000 units out in our operation today.
Multi-Jet Fusion technology allows us to make cost-efficient, incremental changes. You can have an inception of idea on day 1, draw it, print it, have a prototype on day 2, do a fit adjustment, have a second prototype on day 3, have a final product by day 4, and on day 5 you can have a full run at a perfect fit. Now when we need something, the first question we ask is, can we print it with Multi-Jet Fusion?
When we started packaging sprocket media a couple of years ago, within months the media size changed. In the past, that would have meant us having to scrap all of the conveyor buckets that we had injection molded before. But now, with our capability on site of Multi-Jet Fusion, all we did was just print a full new set of buckets ourselves quickly and at low cost.
This is one of the unique 3D printed parts on our sprocket line. It is a quick changeover insert. We have to use different sized inserts for all of our different products. The advantage of this one is you can simply unclick and click back in, which saves us a tremendous amount of time. We are really excited to explore color here. These are the first color parts we've gotten made. They are 2 different size pusher heads for our sprocket line. Multi-Jet Fusion color technology has allowed us to differentiate these. This is great because it allows a technician to make a changeover flawlessly. If he leaves one on the line that is incorrect, it'll stand out.
Multi-Jet Fusion is an enabler for so many projects that engineers would have been afraid to even try or suggest in the past. People just come up with ideas and different design solutions that in the past they would never even have considered.